This sound is a homeowner's worst nightmare. Where's it coming from? Where's it going? How much damage has already been done? We're going to help you figure that out and give you the options you need to protect your family, your home, and yourself. There are a few different reasons why your chimney might leak, but today we're going to talk about chase covers. What is a chase cover? It's a square or rectangular piece of metal that sits on top of your fireplace. While your cap protects the lining of your chimney, the chase protects everything in the enclosed area. What you're not seeing here is the framing that makes this structure functional. There's plywood, 2x4s, 2x6s, and the fireplace itself that need protection from rain, snow, and small critters. What's that have to do with that tapping sound? Let's take a look. Chase covers aren't all made the same. This galvanized metal you see here is pretty common. There are a few problems with this. 1. The metal itself will rust over time. 2. The chase is flat. Water and snow will pool and compound the decaying. 3. Pooling water causes the chase to warp. 4. Water can get into the interior of the system and damage it beyond repair. Now that you know about some of the associated risks, let us come alongside you and point you to the best solution. CMO exclusively installs stainless steel chase covers with cross breaks. Because stainless steel does not rust, we can guarantee that our products are built to last and will stand the test of time. The cross break design encourages rain and snow to flow away rather than accumulating pool. As a bonus, we use drip edges. These are used to push water away from the chimney walls. And there you have it. This isn't the kind of repair you want to delay. The longer you hear that drip, the more unseen damage is spreading, and the longer this lingers in the back of your mind. Give us a call and get your peace of mind back. With that out of the way, it's Technical Tuesday, Transformation Tuesday, Taboo Tuesday. That's a WWE joke from McCoy, or whatever you want to call it. Here's what it looks like to go from galvanized steel to stainless steel. Of an inspection, repair, or installation, we're here to serve you. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, we're open to that too. Give us a call at 317-500-1250. Email us at office@cmoutfitters.com. Check us out on the web at cmoutfitters.com, or you can check us out on social media everywhere.